Hello guys, welcome back to the new session. I hope that you guys went through the previous session. In that session, we learned that how to set up the environment for VS Code, and in today's session, we are going to learn that how to set up the Python environment particularly. So, if you guys know that every programming language will have a particular environment itself. So Python also has a particular environment. So we are going to learn that environment to set up in our operating systems, and also we are going to start the basic concept of the Python programming language before starting the main concept of the Python programming language. So let's start this session. Chalo. So before starting the basic concept, let us know that how to set up the Python environment. So let's get into that process. You can see here that I will be opening the browser. You can use your repeatedly using browser. That I am going to use the Chrome browser in incognito mode. So in this browser, we have to search for python.org. After searching this, we will be redirected to the Python domain. So this is the page you all guys are able to see. So here we have to go into this. After clicking on it, the website will show you guys that according to your operating system, it will show which type of APK you guys need to download. So yeah, mine is Mac OS. You all guys know that it is showing me to download the latest version of Python for Mac OS. So after looking into this, we have to download this Python file directly. Okay, after downloading this, I will show you guys that how will be the interface of the Python environment looks like. So let's get into that. So yes, after doing all the downloading process, the interface of the Python ideally will be looks like this interface. I think you guys can see on the screen itself. So here you guys can write the Python code. For example, I will write this. Here you can observe that environment itself didn't show or didn't suggest the keywords or whatever we are going to use or we need to use in Python programming language. If you guys can see in VS Code, it will be suggesting that all this stuff while we are writing the code, like what after will come, what will be coming after the particular code we are writing. So like this stuff will be there in VS Code, but here it will be not suggesting any kind of stuff like that. So let's run this code. So this is the output. According to your operating systems, there will be certain command already set to your keyboard keys. So you can see some keys like F1, F2, F3, F4, all this stuff. You can set those keys as shortcuts while you are writing the code in ideally. But if you ask to me, I will suggest to write the code in VS Code only, because you guys can get better experience in VS Code. So let's write the code in VS Code only and let's start our Python programming journey. Today I will be teaching you guys the basic concepts of the Python programming language. So let's get into that. So yes guys, after setting the Python ideally environment, let us first know about some questions and then let's step into the basic concepts. Thank you.